Good day everyone and welcome. Before we start, we have a disclosure. Please be aware of risk in the future traded. All our videos for educational purpose only. You're very welcome to follow any of our automated signal as long as you are on sim. A beautiful start, beautiful morning. We have the swing trading is 4,000 already on the ES. We have the signal. From the signal, we just had a buy signal on the Nasdaq. We are 440. This is the scalper, the new scalper. We started at 924. Took the first trade based on one contract is 1,544. 45, and then we have the YM is on 2 minutes. The swing trading also is doing very fine. The Nasdaq is doing very extremely good. Came in right now to the institutional number, profit taken on institutional number. Without a doubt, we are climbing today on the Nasdaq to the last signal for the morning session. It will be 21,341. The pullback is the institutional number is lining right at the fib line. A profit taken on that number. As far as there is no other news, there is some high news on 2:30 p.m. This is away in the afternoon, but profit taken on target 2. You might experience a pullback if you are auto trading on the Nasdaq, but the target for today, the morning session, is 21,342. Absolutely is an excellent. For the ES, it will be problem on 58.80 and profit taken on 58.86. And the second target is 58.92. So we see what happened. Excellent day. Everything is good. Also, you have another chance to scalp the ES to our traders on a 50 ticks based on one contract. As you see, the scalper on a 50 ticks, this new scalper is a 387 based on one contract. Is doing extremely good. We'll bring it when it takes a trade. Now there is a little difficulties for the ES at 58.80. Be careful when you are auto trading. We have a little difficulties at 58.80. The Nasdaq is climbing to target 3. Absolutely 21,343. Oh, it was so fast. I just took a trade, and now the ES is 525. It was very fast, but this one is based on one contract. Now took another trade. To our traders, the 50 ticks ES in 1 week got 36,000. 36,000 on the ES 56, 50 ticks. Yes, put the A scalper on 50 ticks. It's extremely good. And also the Nasdaq on 4 minutes. The Nasdaq 4 minutes. If you want it to be slower on the trades with the ES, also you can put it on 100 ticks. The 100 tick brought 25,225. The 250 ticks on the ES brought 22,575 in 1 week. The Nasdaq on the 4 minutes brought 15,520 based on one contract. The Nasdaq is climbing to target 3, a profit taken on target 3 institutional number. As we said, the Nasdaq having a problem, the ES have a problem, as we said, on 58.80 and 58.80. There is a little problem. If you are not in a trade, on the ES, we're not your financial advisor, but a re-entry point is 58.61 long. 58.61 long. Vito, that was last week up to today. So today, no, so this is more than 1 week. It is 5 days, 6, 7, 8, around 9 or 10 days. And it is excellent for your time in England, Vito. I've been testing them in the European session. I usually I've been testing the morning session, the European morning session. Extremely good. British time. You know, I start them around uh, is around 10 o'clock your British time. They do very well until the markets open, the pre-open in the US, and then it started again. So they're doing very fine in your time. The pullback re-entry, we are getting to the pullback re-entry. The pullback re-entry is 58.64. It's right there. The Nasdaq pullback re-entry is right here, 21,249.75 is right there, right in front of you. You know, there is today the celebration for, you know, I wouldn't, I mean, this is not nice to be in his shoes, but today is a pizza day for Bitcoin. This guy ordered a pizza with 10,000 Bitcoin. Two pizzas, you know, a few years ago, and the estimation price. No, that's true, Vito. That's true. He was very famous. Yeah. He ordered two pizza with 10,000 Bitcoin, and now they are worth $1 billion. $1 billion for two pizzas. I mean, you know, if you know, I mean, can you imagine this guy how he feels? Probably he never ordered pizza in his life again. I mean, I really feel sorry for him. $1 billion in pizza. And it was two pizza on the bright side. I don't know. Okay, look, we were right. It is on the re-entry, where we said the re-entry 58.64 and the re-entry 21.59. And it seems like the scalper is struggling at this moment. Maybe it was his wife's idea, don't get it wrong. Yeah, probably his wife hates him now. Maybe it's... the scalper is struggling in the market at this moment. I'm gonna pause the trades, close and pause for a few minutes. Until we see what's going on in here. And then we start it again. Seems like we're running out of steam to the long side, and the signs, if we look at the buyers and the sellers with the 6 different time frame, is equal, and we start getting the red in the market analyzer, plus the line has been broken here. It's been broken at 21.69. It looked like it's the beginning of the short, and the long trades are over. So let's see if the ES can confirm that. If the ES broke that line, that means there is no more short, there is no more long trade. If the ES not able to maintain above the 58.66, that is a problem. So be careful. It is a really key point right here. It's a really key problem. So let's see if the ES will break below the 58.66. That means all the trades long has to be closed. There is no more. So the Nasdaq giving it up, and there is no more long trade. Sadly, it's finished. And the scalper was struggling a little bit, and now it's back on the trades, and now the market is finished to the long side, guys. Right now it's only short. That's it. It's finished. There is no more long trades. We have, this is it, the market sinking. We predicted before it started, and this is it. There is no more There is no more long trades. It's finished. Oh, wow. We are sinking to the 58, 51. This is a big drop. We have a sell order on the CL. We have a sell order on the CL. This is the 500 ticks. And it is struggling also on that trade. We're sitting on a standby. There is no short, there is no long. It could be a re-entry short on 21,280. It could be a re-entry short. But at this moment there is no trade. The market has no direction. Actually, don't get excited with the short. There's not much. The problem is on the Nasdaq you have extreme support. You're gonna say what those lines are. Those you cannot trade from, and we have extreme support from 21,170 all the way down. So this is really the market cannot find direction, and you have to be really careful to not get excited anymore with the market. It's a really the ES institutional target, profit taken on institutional target 58.51. It will be profit taken and it's lining up with the support, so you have to be careful. So this is not a very pretty picture today. We started good and everything it was okay, but now things has changed. Really a lot of volatile in the market and no direction. You have to be careful when you are auto trading. It doesn't matter where this auto trade coming from. When the market is in that situation here, it's hard. It's very hard to make money in those areas. So be careful. We have a short signal on the YM. Short signal on the YM. Here's the short signal on the YM. When the market analyzer fires short, you have an auto trade. Take that trade. So the market is really struggling. Be careful, please. We're about to hit the institutional number. Profit taken on 58.51. A new signal on the ES. It fired a new signal. Sell on the ES. The signal from the YM, we give it to you, is right there. When the YM fired the signal. Here it is. There is a sell signal on the YM, on the ES. As we said, a profit taken. It is right in line where 58.81, but another system telling us to sell. So we'll see. It's a little bit crazy day. The market has no direction. After we told you about the profit taken on that number, this is a profit taken, but there is no long. You know, be careful, there is no long. We finally got back today the scalper on 50 ticks. We were struggling. We had like 400 and we went down because of the market, the way it was moving, and now we are back on the plus. It's gonna go down. It's going to break that support on the ES. It's trying to break that support. Let's see what happened. It's a really, really tricky day today for the market. Let's see if we are able to break the support. 58, 50, 75. Right now it's 10:44. By 11 o'clock we should be done at 58:45. 58:45. That will be your session for today, and it's finished. Wow. That's a big bar. It is a crazy day. The auto trade is going short, long, short, long, short, long, and is struggling on the short and is struggling on the long. It's constantly reversing the market, and there is no movement. Reversing, reversing, and there is no movement. It's really unpredictable market at this moment. look how the ES, how hard it is for the auto trade to take a trade. If you notice, it goes short. There is nothing, the market not trending, and the auto trade is switching to long, and there is nothing. And it's been switching long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short, and nothing is moving. This is really bad when you're trying to auto trade and the market is in one line, is not doing anything. This is really bad. You're just going in the circle and not getting anything out of it. So that's exactly what's going on the 50 ticks. That's a very small chart, and it's not going anywhere. And he is reversing the market, and it's not trending. And it's chasing the market constantly, but it's not getting anything out of it. It's just going in the circle. When it goes in the circle like this, plus, minus, minus, plus, stop auto trading, go for a walk, do something, do shopping, fix your car, and go for lunch. And come back, maybe the market will be smooth. But when the auto trade is just going, spending in the circle, then you don't need to stay auto trading. You need to stop auto trading, take a break, leave for an hour, come back, and everything should be fine again. But the market not really trending. As we said, around 11 o'clock, we're going to hit target 2 on the ES, and now it's 10:54. Institutional number, target 2 is 58.45. And we are done for today. This is your target for the morning, and it is coming at 11 o'clock exactly as we usually do, but plus minus 10 minutes, and now it's 10:54. It's coming directly to the institutional number. This one here hits around 11 o'clock, plus minus 10 minutes, and this is it. And here it is, target 2 at 10:55, usually 11 o'clock, and it's finished. I don't know if you can see the wick, but it finished at 58.45, and there is nothing to do anymore. You can see hit the target 2, and it's over. There is no more trades on the ES. The target 3, the last target, is for the afternoon, but there is nothing left on the ES. Here it is, target 2 hit, and usually hit around 11 o'clock. It was a very rough day. We started very good, and the market went crazy. There is no short, there is no long, sideways, no trades, flat, and then look, finish at target 2, and it stopped at target 2. So now it's gonna retest the target 1, 58.51. As you see, today the scalper was a struggling market, and really did not do good today. Welcome to trading. You have to see the good and the bad. So today we didn't do good on the scalper. The question is, aren't they supposed to be excellent every day? There is no such a thing called excellent every day. you're gonna have some bad days, and today was not the perfect day for scalping. So you can see on target 2 is finished, profit taken, and now is retesting the target 1, and here it is, retesting target 1. Usually in this case it goes to target 1, and from target 1 go back to target 2, and oh wow, today, okay, now the market's a little bit up, but usually once you hit target 2 is finished, your best option to go for lunch, and hopefully when you come back the market start trending, then you can auto trade again. But at this moment, this market is trying to recover, but there is no hope at this moment. Let's see if it's cross this number. If it cross it, this means also the short is finished, and we're back on a long trades again. So we need 58.62. Let's see. We're gonna stay a couple more minutes and see if the 58.62 will be able to cross it. If we cross it, the short is over. And it's only long. And now you can see when the market start moving, your scalper start adding money on your portfolio. So this is really, we need to see the 58.62. If we are able to break it, it is really important. We are waiting on that number to see if it can be crossed, the 58.62, before we close for today. So it seems like it's not able to do this. So one more try, let's see. Okay, it's not going to do it. Well, thank you very much for today. We wish you a pleasant day. Bye for now.